problem. A contract they have got the two parts. The infrastructure, the buildings, and equipment, the furniture. Era very surprising mumanyarero nga part 1 mbara ikanyo 20%, 30%. Lakini furniture ya very delivered 100%. Yani virogo computers biaretiru ese nyanyene kirasi kitaragacho. That tells you about the contracting nature and the problems tobugate ekare ikiramanga tendering in this country.
Ero contractor chirichiankire goche site chionsi pito tagete chimunyokigwe muna into abanyene Nyamira into gwancha kora abantu baitu bagochandeka nabo igo ministry toko yakira mbia mono asengencho yaigwete biriro byaitu muna abanyamira bachira iga take a report and we know keregento ngecheke babya ekero tokorikeri toetaine muna bajumbe ntuna bajumbe toro tokorera abantu ase siasa ero nabo turaetanira lakini ase mirimo y'abantu ntogwetana tore tayari ko deliver for the people of Nyamira abana inchi banyamira ngo batembia mono asemore mumanyanga we are there for you etoko barwanirira kende gyonse kegie konyarekana gokoreka gekoreke na ene mumanya iga amatuka atigaire na maka abantu bachake campaign ntotaitikana campaign totaraegwa